Now, since in your orthographic views, many times you'll be looking at your piping at a perpendicular view, you may have piping that is blocking another pipe. So in a for instance such as that one, you may need to take a section out of the pipe so that you can see what's behind it. And for that, we use our pipe gap tool. Let's take a look at our pipe here that's on the bottom of this ortho drawing here. And we really can't tell that maybe there is or maybe there's not another pipe that's lying right behind it. Let's go to our pipe gap tool, which is going to be in the Plant Object Tools panel. And of course, that's in the Ortho View tab. We'll go ahead and activate the pipe gap tool, and we are prompted to select a pipe to be gapped. I'll go ahead and choose that there, and you'll see that it does create a little gap in here. Now, to activate the pipe gap, we go over to our drawing, we right-click on it, and we update. And you'll see that there is a pipe that's running exactly parallel behind it. Now, to see what happens whenever there's a pipe not behind it, let's go ahead and run the pipe gap tool again. We'll select this is the pipe to be gapped. This time, let's open the gap up just a bit by dragging this grip. All we need to do is click on it. We can either do direct entry or just move it out of the way. And now we'll go ahead and run our update. And you'll see there is no pipe or anything running behind this one. So let's go ahead and take this pipe gap out. We'll just click on this grip with a left click, and we'll bring it to where it's right on top of the other one. And then once we do that, we can update the view, and it removes the pipe gap. So now we have a place that's showing where there is a pipe running parallel behind it, and since there was nothing here, we went ahead and closed that pipe gap.